first car meet of the year. Bubba and fucking cars. Let's see what we can get into. Be a different style video this time, but we're gonna see what this is about. First car meet of the night. Tony coming in clean. There's no parking. Austin with the classic bullhorns on the front of the Kia. Gotta love it.
What up? Can I park right here?
Well, that didn't take long. Volunteering to give us a ride, however.
Yeah, you guys made it like what, 50 feet?
Yeah, a good 50 feet. But I'll see you on the flip side.
Yeah, about an hour.
Yeah, maybe. Your wrap on the track off. Perfect. With the Honda SMX from Garage 531. Oh, what up? My brother out here taking pictures of me taking videos because that's who he is as a person. Whoa, whoa.
Size matters.
Whoa.
Size matters.